Here I have ARCHOS Access 101, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So first method is you have to open phone, open keyboard on it, and enter the secret number *# 06 £, and you will see the IMEI information. And the second method, you have to open settings, scroll down to the bottom, then go to the About tablet section, then to Status, and here in Status, here you have your serial number, and here in the IMEI information you have IMEI slot 1 and IMEI slot 2. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.